I'm the Schools Director of Learning, Renice Carter, and I oversee the mobile computing program. Effective pedagogy requires educators to fully understand their students' needs and interests and how they learn best. The mobile computing program at the school provides students the opportunities to learn in ways that suits them and shows an understanding of their needs, interests and strengths. The school's mobile computing program was introduced in 2010 and commenced with one Year 9 class as a trial group before being expanded to all Year 9 students later that same year. Following overwhelmingly positive feedback from students, teachers and parents as to the benefits experienced with students having their own portable machine, the program has expanded and now encompasses students in Years 9 to 12. The Rockhampton Grammar School takes seriously the challenge of preparing students for today's world. Digital literacy is a necessary skill for our modern world, and each student's skills are enhanced under the school's mobile computing program. Technology is a tool that adds another dimension to student learning. The machines have become a key learning tool in all core and elective subject classrooms, and are now considered part of each student's learning pencil case.
I've used my tablet since I got here in grade 10, and I use it every day for every subject. It's really easy just to take anywhere, so you may want to have a study group with your friends and you will just bring your tablets and you can all be working on the same thing, and then at the end of the session you can just email everyone's ideas to each other because email is so handy.
In English, students use tablets all the time. We use them to obviously help them compose their work, but also it's really great that they can use them as a tool to research, to highlight and annotate their work and to interact with staff in a way that we can't do all the time with just pen and paper.
It's great having our own laptops. It's a really good resource and we have the ability to contact teachers all the time.
I think one of the main benefits is the fact that students have equitable access. They are all able to access within class any of the sites, any of the software programs. They're also able then to use that in their own time outside of school.
I find it easier to use the tablet because instead of having to save it from the desktop to a USB, you can just save it to your data or send it to yourself.
Mobile computing devices provide the motivation for students to be engaged in their learning and see a connection between what they are learning and the world beyond the classroom.
In all of our business studies classes, the tablet PCs are used to demonstrate to students the software applications that are available within business enterprises.
Computer software programs grammar students are currently utilising include OneNote, Poll Everywhere, Today's Meet, YouTube for Schools, ClickView, PhotoStory 3, Mathletics, Quizlet, Padlet, Wordle, Paint, Inspiration, Google Maps, Google Earth, Movie Maker, and of course the Microsoft suite, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Publisher.
So in Japanese it's really easy to Google kanji, so if you don't know something you can easily just do the stroke order and you can copy it from the textbook that we use into there, and then it'll recognise it straight away and you can know what it means within a few seconds.
The school provides the highest quality infrastructure, and the Tablet PC Centre, located on the second floor of the Isla Lee Learning Centre, is manned by IT trained staff who are equipped to handle all student queries and concerns. To facilitate the continued development of effective pedagogy, Teachers regularly attend ICT curriculum planning workshops. Such professional development allows departments the opportunity to collaboratively prepare resources and explicitly consider how they will incorporate ICT technology with their classes. Teachers having such professional development opportunities, as well as readily accessible support, allows enhanced classroom instruction and consequently enriched learning outcomes for students. Given you have a child that's either just joined the school or is in a cohort that's going to receive a mobile computing device, you'll receive an information pack similar to this one. Inside, you'll find a welcome letter that briefly outlines the program, as well as the 2 pieces of documentation that need to be returned to the Director of Learning. Additionally is a one-to-one mobile computing program booklet, which goes through the school's program in detail from its implementation until now. The 2 pieces of documentation that need to be returned are the Year 9 contract and the parent contract. The machine cannot be issued until these 2 pieces of documentation are returned to the Director of Learning.